How to redeem e-gift cards. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. With Square e-gift cards, you can easily sell digital gift cards online and in store to customers searching for last-minute gifts or to those who live far away. Once you set up your free online e-gift card order site, your customer will be able to send e-gift cards via email to individuals, multiple people, all at once, or even to themselves. They can also create a group gift by letting contributors add funds to an e-gift card online before it's sent to the recipient. Customers' e-gift card can be easily redeemed for in-store purchases on Square Online or with select Square partners like Magento. Remember that e-gift cards cannot be redeemed from third-party e-commerce integrations. You can set up e-gift cards from your online Square dashboard. To do so, go to Payment, then go to Gift Cards in your online Square dashboard. Select e-gift card, then select Configure. Toggle on the Sell e-gift cards in store to enable this option in the Square app. Choose a design for your e-gift card or upload a file. To do this in the Square app, you want to log into your app and tap on the More options, then select Settings. Under Checkout options, tap Gift Cards. Toggle on the Sell e-gift card in store option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.